Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see, today I have one losing trade and also a winner that I took last week. So the first one I'll show you is Euro Kiwi. This is the weekly time frame and we have price coming down, and I have this marked up as the pullback or corrective move, and prices fell on a break the $0.7500 zone or the 38.2 percentage area if you're using Fibonacci. So then I come down to the 4 hour, start looking at price action, and as we can see, price is ranging. So I'm going to go even further down to the 1 hour to see if I can get in any trades. And this is what I saw: a possible head and shoulder. Price came up to $1.7450 zone, came down, came up for the retest, and it failed to break. Then we got the impulse move to the downside. So what I did was I drew an area here for the neckline. And usually when price comes down and breaks the neckline in a strong bearish move, I enter the trade. And that's exactly what happened. But I think I entered this on the 30 minute. I'm not too sure. But anywho, so when price came down and broke the neckline, I entered on the next candle. And let's see, TP was supposed to be here at around $1.68,900 or $1.69. And I was going for about 20 to 30 pips. But that didn't happen. So this trade I entered at around 11 p.m. and that was headed towards the end of Asian session, going into pre-London. And as we can see here, price created support. Let me delete this right here. Price created support. It came back up, came down, created support again. That told me that it wasn't going up. So I ended up, well, before I got stopped out, it ended up closing the trade at about $1.69, 860, 70 zone. So I ended up losing, let's see how many, about 34 pips. So that was my loss. And let's go to the one where else he has some profit. Okay, Ozzy CAD. If I go to the daily, you can see that price is still in a strong downtrend. Add a Fibonacci here from about 94,230 to about 92,160 and waited for the correction. So I came down to the 4 hour time frame so we can see price action. Let's see, as you can see, the corrective move stopped around 38.2 percentage area, and then we got the impulse move. So then I came down to the 1 hour to look for entry. So after the pullback, I waited for some bearish confirmation so I could go ahead and enter the trade. It's the same as what they teach us, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then you enter right there. So, but I don't enter until I get the bearish confirmation. So here was the bear candle. This is where I enter at the close. Well, I think I entered at 30. Yep. So I entered on the 30 minute. Price came down, made a lower low, came up, made a lower high. See, I gave it enough breathing room, made a lower high, made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I ended up getting what? 33 pips on this trade. Now, I could have left a runner, but I didn't because as we can see, price pulled back here. And it kept going down for another, what is this, about 44 pips. And now I am waiting next week. Bias is still sells, even though we hit a wall. We have support here at 91,550 area. So right now we're in a range. I'm not, if this is to go to the upside, I'm not looking for buys until we pass the zone at 91,730. And I'm looking for a break below 91, probably 91,500 to look for sales. So we'll see what happens next week. But those are the two trades that I took this week. And I'll see you all in the next video.